Hey guys, what's up, what's up? It is BB here again. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome. If you've come back again, like I said, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Today we're coming with some Black Panther Wakanda Forever realness, okay? Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna stay tuned and keep on watching.
Hey guys, what's up? It is BB here again. First, we're gonna start off with a snapshot of this Prism palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, so you can just get an idea of the shades that I am putting down. But first, we're gonna go in with a nice matte brown shade called Eden out of the palette, just to have right into my crease to create a nice transition for that nice Wakanda Black Panther feel. Yes. Now we are using Lure right underneath that transition shade, right below but still on top of my crease. Guys, this is how you get a nice blend. You want to always buff those shades in, and the shades in this palette, they are really blending out beautifully and very seamlessly. Now I'm going in with a clean brush just to blend those softly together. Now I am going in with Parallel. It looks black on camera, but it's Parallel. It's a nice dark brown cocoa. But I also do use Obsidian out of the palette, which is the black, and it doesn't, this black, I've had blacker shades, but it does give me that nice black, but you have to build it up. And now I'm just going to cut my crease because I want to put down that gold shade Eternal and Pyramid for my lid. But I'm not going to cut it just too much. I'm just doing it right over my natural crease line, just so we can see that, so we can carve it out and see it a lot better. And of course, you're going to see me tap off that concealer to get some of the tackiness off. I like to keep some of it so that my shades will go down. And because that concealer is so light, I feel like it's hard for you guys to see that Eternal shade pick up, but it is laying down very, very nice. And right on the outer corner from inner to my mid lid, I use Eternal, but in that outer corner, I'm using Pyramid. It is a nice true gold shade, and I know it's very hard to see it, but you can see it so well in person. I wish I can get it to pick up just as well as I can see it. And right in my inner tear duct, I'm using Lucid, and it is just like a white shimmery shade. And right under that lower lash line, I am using Saturn. It is a nice burnt orange shade to go right under, and I drag that all the way to elongate the eye. I drag that all the way out right up under that black Obsidian shade that I have in the outer corner here. I'm going to smoke that out and blend it all the way through and blend all of my shades together. You see me cleaning up that black shade, and I'm dragging it all the way out because we're going to be real dramatic with this one. I got my wing liner a little bit too thick, but I did clean it up and give it a nice shape. I put those dots underneath my lower lash line. I got this from Makeup Shayla for my little bitty lashes. It kind of creates the illusion that you have thicker lashes. So guys, it's a nice trick for you. Just add a few lines or dots on your lower lash line, and it'll create an illusion that your bottom lashes are much fuller. I'm using the Jasmine Brown Eyelure Collab lashes, and I absolutely love them. She did a great job with these. They're very beautiful from the outer to inner. They kind of flare out, and I'm using my Gold Deposit highlight to add it on my lip, my nose, and my cheeks. I go in with Rihanna's Clapback lipstick, but I did not want that blue shade, but it was the darkest shade that I had to go on top of with Obsidian to create a nice black lipstick. Now I do have my festival lipstick coming in, which it has not made it in yet, and I could not wait to do this look, so I just improvised. Now we're gonna set all of that Wakanda goodness, and yeah, we're done, guys. Let me know if you like this look in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe.